There's a lake on Earth that feels less like a lake and more like another world, a place so ancient, so deep, and so mysterious that even today scientists still haven't fully explored what lies beneath it. It's called the oldest and deepest lake on Earth, over 25 million years old, nearly a mile deep, and hiding secrets that sound like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. Deep beneath its frozen surface, there are burning ice formations, lost treasure, strange creatures, and mysteries so terrifying that many people believe something unknown still moves beneath the ice. And the craziest part? Every single one of these stories is real. Today, we are diving into one of the most mysterious and dangerous places on the planet, a lake scientists call a living crack in the earth, a newborn ocean, and a gateway into a dark world where every expedition returns with more questions than answers. Why does fire burn beneath Baikal's ice? Why does its water stay unbelievably pure? Where did hundreds of tons of lost gold disappear? And why do people still claim they see movement under the frozen surface? Stay until the end, because today, you're about to discover the 7 terrifying mysteries of Lake Baikal that science still cannot fully explain. Mystery number 1. Burning ice. In 2008, Russian scientists descended deep into Lake Baikal using special research submarines. What they discovered at the bottom of the lake shocked the scientific world. Nearly a mile beneath the surface, in total darkness, under crushing pressure powerful enough to destroy a human instantly, hot water was erupting from cracks in the lake floor. Hydrothermal vents, and along with that hot water came methane gas. When scientists collected strange ice-like material from the bottom and brought it to the surface, they lit it on fire, and it burned. Imagine that for a second. Ice that burns like fuel. This substance is called methane hydrate, sometimes known as flammable ice. And according to researchers, Lake Baikal may contain enough of it to power entire countries for decades. But hidden inside this discovery is a terrifying danger. If rising temperatures ever destabilize,
those frozen methane deposits, enormous amounts of gas could erupt into the atmosphere, potentially accelerating climate change on a catastrophic scale. In other words, beneath Baikal's frozen depths may lie a ticking time bomb. Mystery number 2. Creatures that shouldn't exist here. Lake Baikal is home to one of the strangest animals on Earth, the Baikal seal, also known as the Nerpa. The problem is, seals are ocean animals. So how did an isolated freshwater lake in the middle of Siberia become home to thousands of them? Scientists believe their ancestors somehow migrated here during the Ice Age, but nobody knows exactly how. And the Nerpa is only the beginning. Baikal contains more than 2,500 species of animals and plants, and nearly half of them exist nowhere else on Earth. Transparent fish with visible organs, tiny organisms that naturally filter and purify the water, strange, deep water creatures adapted to crushing darkness and extreme cold. That's one reason Baikal's water is so unbelievably clear that, in some places, you can see over 130 feet beneath the surface. It's not just a lake. It's an entire hidden ecosystem, unlike anything else on Earth. Mystery number 3. The 25-million-year-old monster. Most lakes on Earth are relatively young, only around 10 to 15,000 years old. But Lake Baikal is different. It has survived for 25 million years. When this lake was born, humans didn't even exist. And here's the most unbelievable part. Baikal is still growing. Every year, the land around it slowly pulls apart by a few centimeters. Scientists believe that millions of years from now, this massive lake could eventually become a brand new ocean. Right now, humanity may actually be witnessing the birth of a future sea. Beneath Baikal lies nearly 8 kilometers of sediment layers, a geological archive containing millions of years of Earth's history, ancient climate records, ice age evidence.
1.2 volcanic activity before civilization. Each layer is like the voice of Baikal. During when something terrifying begins, massive sound of frozen lake, sometimes like something enormous calling out from deep below the Earth's centuries. They call them the voice and sudden temperature changes. Research shows that Baikal's low-frequency vibrations, humans cannot anxiety, panic, and may explain why many visitors report strange experiences while standing on the frozen lake, as if something was watching them from below the Earth itself. The ice is so clear that you can sometimes imagine standing on a sheet of glass above a bottomless abyss. The lost gold of Baikal. Forces loyal to Admiral Kolchak attempted to transport massive amounts of gold after struck. Blizzards, breaking ice, chaos. Many believe hundreds of tons of. In 2009,
Mystery number 6, the giant black circles. In 2009, astronauts aboard the International Space Station captured images of enormous dark circles appearing on Baikal's frozen surface. Each circle stretched nearly 3 miles across, so massive, nobody standing on the ground could even recognize their true shape. The images sparked theories across the world: alien activity, secret military experiments, unknown energy beneath the lake. Scientists believe warm water rising from the depths weakens the ice and creates these strange formations. But here's the mystery: the circles appear in different places every few years, which means something deep beneath Baikal is constantly shifting and moving, something we still don't fully understand. Mystery number 7, why Baikal refuses to die. Every lake on Earth eventually disappears. Sediment builds up, water turns into swamp, nature slowly erases it. That's the normal cycle. But Lake Baikal refuses to follow the rules. Even after 25 million years, it remains alive, clear, powerful, and constantly changing. Why? Scientists still don't have a complete answer. Some believe it's because of Baikal's unique ecosystem. Others point to the freezing temperatures and unusual water circulation. But the truth is, nobody fully understands how this ancient lake has survived for so long. And maybe that is Baikal's greatest mystery of all. Because this isn't just a lake, it's a living window into Earth's past. A place that reminds humanity how little we truly know about our own planet. And even now, beneath the frozen silence, Baikal continues to hide its secrets in the darkness, just as it has for millions of years. But the story doesn't end there. The deeper scientists explore Lake Baikal, the more mysteries they uncover. Researchers say there are still regions at the bottom of the lake where no human machine has ever reached. Think about that. Right here on Earth, there exists a place where darkness still dominates over humanity. And hidden beneath that darkness may still be unknown species, ancient fossils, or discoveries capable of rewriting history itself. Every expedition into Baikal reveals something new: strange minerals, unknown organisms, unexplained formations that scientists still struggle to understand. And that is what makes Lake Baikal one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Because no matter how advanced humanity becomes, nature is still far greater than we are. And Baikal may be the ultimate proof of that truth. So tell us, would you dare stand alone on the frozen ice of Lake Baikal? Or would the darkness beneath your feet terrify you? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you want to explore more real mysteries hidden around the world, like this video, subscribe to the channel and join us for the next journey into the unknown. Because the next mystery might be even more unbelievable than this one. Thanks.